Hey guys, today we have an easy one and an important one. This is how to clean a clogged dryer vent tube, which is a really common problem with almost all dryers. They just build up some lint over the time, and pretty soon they get so clogged up that they can actually cause a dryer fire. They're the most common cause of dryer fires. The lint backs up into the cabinet of the dryer and then catches on fire. So we're using this lint cleaning tool. We have a link in the description below, and it's pretty inexpensive, pretty easy to use. You do have to use it with a drill. I'm using a Milwaukee Drill here. Here's a picture of the before and after. Hey guys, can you take just a second to click on the subscription link below? It really helps our channel, and also the bell notification. So every time we make a new video, we can send it right to you. We make a new video about once every week. Really appreciate that, and if you give us a thumbs up, great, thank you. So the reasons to do this is to reduce the danger, make your dryer last much longer, and also it takes a lot less time to dry your clothes. I really like using this Milwaukee Drill. Here's a link in the description below, but it's very powerful, very reliable. I use it in all my appliance repair. I think it's in all my appliance repair videos. So what we do with this system, it comes with a number of these 3-foot sections, which are flexible nylon, and you just thread them one by one so they connect into the next one, and then you can go deeper and deeper into the dryer vent tube. Most dryer vent tubes are probably 3 feet to 6 feet, but occasionally you'll run into one where it has to go maybe 20 feet. The longer the dryer vent tube, of course, the more likely it'll get clogged up over time. So having this tool and using it just once every year will really make a difference for safety, and also mainly for how fast your clothes dry. If you do have a dryer vent tube that leaves your dryer and then has to go up, like up through the ceiling or up, say 4 or 5 feet, you're much more likely to get a clog in your dryer vent tube. So in that instance, I would advise doing this 3 to 4 times per year. This is very common with condominiums and apartments. It's very important when you're doing the procedure that the drill always turns just clockwise or to the right, because if it turns to the left, it may undo itself inside. So I just turned on the dryer, and that helped me to knock out a